Let's add the sash windows to the window frame. So a little while ago I glued in the window frame itself into the hole. Now what I'm going to do is, I also glued these together with a dot of glue either side. So now I'm going to put some glue on the edges, of course wood glue. Doesn't need a huge amount, if I'm honest, like this. And then you're going to place this within the frame itself. So this bottom panel, bottom sash, sits within the actual wooden frame itself, and then this top one will end up sitting flush with the window frame itself. And that is it, ready to go. Just leave it to dry for a little bit and your window will be ready. I've left a little gap at the top so that you've got this effect, this textured effect there.